So this new task-driven UI allows an operator to very quickly understand the things that need their attention immediately. So in this task-driven UI, we can display information around jobs, downtime, quality, and any other items that might be of importance to the operator. What this allows them to do is to stay in a single view for the areas that they're responsible for. So if I'm an operator that is responsible for operations around the blending process, I can very quickly see through these indicators the tasks that I need to execute during my shift. So this allows us to very quickly filter, come in, drive through the process of, from a job perspective, maybe consuming materials in the process itself so we can keep a record of traceability, dealing with quality checks against the product that we're executing, so seeing very quickly the parameters that need measured, the limits and targets of those parameters so we can tie that as well to the production record. And then thirdly, the downtimes, which allow them to understand the things that are impacting their production goals. So within this one interface, they're able to very quickly get to the areas that they need without switching to different screens. They're also able to see how well they're performing within that process against their production goals for that day. Within that, we also provide more details around each of these areas to give them views into the events that are currently affecting production, KPIs around that, around good and bad products, and the downtime reasons that are occurring most frequently. So from production to OEE details to utilization graphs around each of those. And then lastly, from the quality perspective, an overview of any of the quality tests that have currently occurred in the current state of each of those. We can pull in additional information around SPC charting to allow them to quickly see how well they're staying within the specs for the product that they're making. So this new UI works off of our standard model-driven forms, which allows them to, again, configure this experience to the operator for each of the locations that they may be responsible to